How to choose who can see your stories on Facebook. So you can also enable this feature from your Facebook account and then from your Messenger app as well. So now once in this tutorial, we'll be focusing on how to turn off that feature, on how to set who can see your stories from your Messenger. So follow the steps in this video. So now once you open your Messenger app, you proceed and click on the three icon. You now navigate to click on settings. You now scroll down to where we have privacy and safety. So now once you're done doing that, you now proceed to where we have stories control. So now once you click on it, you now see who can see your story. Your story will be visible for 24 hours. So now if you don't want the whole public to see your story, you can also set it as friends only. But if you want just your friends and everyone, or if you want to customize who can see your story, you now click on this and you now select the particular people that will view your stories on your Facebook. So now once you click on it, you now click on apply and then you now click on OK. So this particular person has been customized just to see your stories on your Facebook. But if you want to enable the public to see, you now click on public and you now save. So this is how to enable who see your stories on Facebook. Remember to subscribe. Do not forget to like and share this tutorial if this is really helpful to you. Thank you.